everyone, welcome back to Frenko. If you're a beginner in French, this video is for you. Today we're going to learn 6 essential French phrases that will help you start speaking right away. I'll say each phrase in French, then its English meaning, and I'll guide you with pronunciation. Ready? Let's begin. Bonjour. Bonjour. Hello. Now you try. Bonjour. Merci. Merci. Thank you. Now you try. Merci. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Please. Now you try. S'il vous plaît. Oui. Oui. Yes. Now you try. Oui. No. 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 Now you try. No. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé. I'm sorry. Now you try. Je suis désolé. Awesome job! Now you know 6 powerful phrases that you can start using right away in French. Practice these every day and they'll become part of your natural speaking. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite phrase. Merci, à bientôt!